Restoring metal objects and protecting them from rust is easy with Krylon Rust Tough spray paint. Here's how. First, gather your supplies and find a well-ventilated spot to work. Next, sand any shiny surfaces. Using a brush, remove all loose rust and paint. Wipe everything down to ensure the surface is clean, dull, and dry. Now, grab your can and start shaking for 1 to 2 minutes before you start and again during use. You can spray Rust Tough paint directly on bare metal. For the maximum protection, you can also use Rust Tough primer as a base coat. Paint your project with even, sweeping strokes and wait 1 minute between coats. Your project will be dry to the touch in 25 minutes. Ready to handle after an hour. And shielded from the damaging effects of moisture for years to come.